Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be reviewing and installing this 3-in-1 lace frontal wig from RPG Hair. Now this wig is definitely going to give you a bang for your buck for sure, because again this is a 3-in-1 wig, so you're getting 3 different looks for the price of one, and this hairline is melted, baby. So I need you to keep on watching so you can get the tea on this wig. Okay girls, so before we actually get into the install, I want to take a moment to just talk about the hairline on this wig and the lace, because you guys know I'm always talking about how important the hairline and the lace is on a wig. So this wig from RPG Hair has a skin melted HD lace attached. It also comes with an upgraded clean hairline, and the knots are bleached. So this is definitely going to be a beginner friendly wig. Even if you're not a beginner, like, this is just going to be one of those wigs where it's a simple, easy install. Also with this wig, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, so you won't have to worry about plucking the lace nor bleaching the knots. So I'm already here for it, girl. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the parting on this wig and the texture. Okay, so this is a 13x6 deep parting lace frontal wig. The density on this wig is 180%. The length is 20 inches. And this is, like I said earlier, a 3-in-1 type of wig. So what I mean by that is, when you get this wig in the mail, it's going to look like this. It's going to have more of a straight texture, but it is going to have more of a kinky feel, very thick, coarse feel to it. But once you wash the hair or you wet the hair, it is going to go into a curly texture. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the fun part, which is melting the lace and, making this thing look good, making it look natural. So I'm going to pull out some baby hairs, of course, and then I am going to smooth out the hairline so that I know what I'm working with, and also so you guys can actually get into this pre-plucked hairline. Like, look at that. It is nice. Now, I know they say that the density on this wig is 180%, but it is definitely giving way more hair than that. But the good thing about this texture is it is a texture that you can straighten. And as you guys can see right here in this clip, using my hot comb, the roots and the top of this wig is flattening out really, really good. So even though this is a lot of hair, it can get super flat. And so this is what I would consider to be the second look that you can get with this wig, which is straightening the hair. Now, you also should be able to curl this hair with a curling iron as well, which I did not show in this video, but because this hair does have a texture to it, it should definitely curl and hold the curl very well. So I'm just going to straighten one section of my head, and then on the other side I'm going to go in and wet this hair, because it's supposed to wet up once you apply water. Even if you straighten the hair, it's supposed to revert back to a curly texture. So yeah, let's get into that. So this is the third way that you can wear this wig, which is activating the curls in this texture. So you got to use some sort of product. I don't think the curls come back as good with just only using water. So I did go in and use some mousse, and as you guys can see, the waves are starting to come in the wig. But what is really going to activate that curl pattern is scrunching the hair. Okay, and here is a video clip of me showing the curl pattern side and the straight side. So you definitely can wear this wig either way and get a really pretty look. So honestly, I didn't know if I wanted to wear this hair curly or if I wanted to wear it in its straight texture. So I decided to straighten the hair, and that's another reason why I did not want to do too many curl patterns or too many straight passes, because I really didn't know how I wanted to wear this hair. So I'm just going to go into sections and just straighten the hair. Now this is a lot of hair, so I'm not trying to get it bone straight. I'm just trying to get it to the point where I can wear it comfortably and I can put it in a ponytail. And one thing about this wig, it has a lot of hair at the ends, so this wig would be beautiful in a bun or a ponytail. And then also, like you guys can see right here in this video, how flat this wig is considering how much hair is on this wig. So this is a really cute, nice quality wig that's going to give you a bang for your buck, as you can see in this video. So I'm going to make sure I have all the tea on this RPG hair wig below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.